student, today we are going to learn what is the difference between a machine and structure, a machine and structure. This is the machine, this is structure. Number one, what is machine? Machine কাকে বলে? A machine is a device which receive energy and transform it into some useful work. Machine have relative motion between its link or between its member, between its parts. A machine have relative motion between its parts. Structure, what is structure? Structure is the assembly of link or assembly of parts or assembly of members. In structure, assembly of parts, there is no relative motion between the link, between the member, between the parts. A structure only used for carrying external load. Okay, now number one difference in machine, the parts of a machine move relative to another. একটা মেশিনের পার্টস গুলোর মধ্যে রিলেটিভ মোশন থাকবে, রিলেটিভ মোশন এক্সিস্ট বিটুইন পার্টস। In structure, number one, the members of a structure do not move relative to one another. There is no, in structure, there is no relative motion between its parts or member. Okay. Number two, in machine, a machine transform the available energy into some useful work. A machine transmitting useful energy to do certain type of work. A machine available energy কে কোনো required কাজ করার জন্য ব্যবহার করা হয়। In structure, number two, a structure do not transform any energy into useful work, not for transmitting useful energy. Okay. Number three, for machine, the link of a machine, a machine is a combination of link, অনেকগুলো link বা parts নিয়ে তৈরি। The link of a machine may transmit both power and motion, both power and motion transmit করে। In structure, number three, the member of a structure transmit force only. It is the static body. It deals with force, but body is stationary. Okay. Next, example of machine, lever, screw jack, inclined plane, bicycle, lathe machine, grinding machine, milling machine, printing machine, all are example of machine. Structure, example of structure, bridge, roof truss on a factory set, buildings are structure. Machine frame, it is also example of structure. Okay, thank you.